whoa, hey.
The people behind us are gonna think we're so drunk. Okay, so it is now time for the Autopilot update test. So we are now on version 8.1 in Scott's car, and this is 2018.4.7. I had a Model X with this update and it did really well. So I'm excited to see how the Model S does. One thing that we found kind of weird though is we can't find where to change the language. And that's been reported online that you can actually change the language in the settings, and we can't find that. So I don't know if it was just for like cars in Canada or what, but we can't seem to find that anywhere.
French and English are both official languages in Canada, but it would be nice if we could add that in the United States too, you know, or Spanish. Oui.
I don't know, maybe it's in some other settings menu. If you know where it is, comment down below. I easily found how to change the PSI to bar, so we at least have that. We're gonna start on this first route that actually is a little bit trickier, and then we're gonna go do our normal curve route. Sorry if it's a little bumpy, the road right here sucks.
And we can also do that test again to the wide high-speed turn onto the interstate, or on the C470 actually. Those 3 tests at least.
Pretty soon here, I'm gonna jump out of the car, put the drone in the air so that we can follow it, get an aerial view, because that's always kind of cool to see exactly what the car's doing. Sometimes it's hard to judge from being in the cabin.
When it misses that curve, it goes into the left lane, it feels really severe. But looking at it from the drone, it's like, eh.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all.
And you just, in the car, it is totally different than what actually is visible from outside the car.
A couple bikes.
It slowed down. I don't know if it's because of the bike or what, but yeah, it did slow down there for a second.
Interesting.
Whoa, see, like right there.
Oh, yeah.
It saw the bike, and
well, at least the Model S is not trying to kill the bicyclist.
It saw the bike. It did not showing anything in the display. Seems to be a little bit of...
Is it bouncing a little bit? It kind of feels like it.
Yeah. Okay, we'll see.
This feels good.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's a straightaway, so...
Yeah. It's good lines. No bikes, no oncoming traffic. And here's where we're going to try to going 45 through this intersection right at the entrance 1 of Red Rocks. And here's where it typically has problems. And yeah, with no car in front of us, still had the problem. Needed to take over. If there is a car in front of us, it usually works.
Okay, so it was a little windy, so we had to put the drone away, unfortunately, for this second experiment. But now we are going to follow my car, which is actually being driven by Scott. We are in Scott's car with the new update. So we're gonna kind of do the follow thing that we had done previously and see, with a car that's close enough in front of it, will it handle it? Okay, let's see how it does. Oh,
so it does work.
Okay.
We're pretty far away.
Yeah, we're pretty far away still.
Over 100 feet.
And it still did it. Okay, interesting. How was it the first time?
Yeah, it failed the first time.
Okay.
That one worked. Even though we were far away, it locked on him.
Okay, so we just got on I-70 eastbound. We are now right behind my car, which is being driven by Scott. And we're gonna see how it takes this on-ramp to 470.
Yeah.
And see how it does.
C470.
That made me nervous for a second.
Yeah.
So is it gonna go left?
Whoa! Hey!
The people behind us are gonna think we're so drunk.
It worked. But yeah, what's this? I think we are going over the speed limit here, but it worked. It was just, whoa, yeah, it's like, whoa.
Okay. That's making me nervous. That 4Runner behind us, like, if you guys are watching this video, sorry, autopilot test.
Is it?
It's still going.
Yeah. It had a couple of things. Again, the road did split twice. But it correctly took the right way each time. Again, it's not supposed to know which interstate we're taking.
Right.
It's just that it was following the car, and it followed him. Right now, we're just kind of riding a little towards the left line here. But it is... working.
Okay. Well, I mean, I guess it worked.
Yeah.
A little scary, but it did work.
It worked. I was impressed. Again, it's not supposed to be following interstates yet, or transitioning like that. But we're just trying the curve, and it did follow traffic, so that was nice.
Yeah.
Assuming the car in front of you is going the same direction you want to go.
Yeah. Yeah. See, this high wind advisory sign. That's why drone kind of had to go away. It's getting all kinds of errors. There's the 4Runner that was behind us that probably thinks we were drunk. We're not. This will be another cool angle that we really haven't captured before, is following a car on autopilot while filming everybody. So this should be good too, that way we can see how his car reacts. Unfortunately, again, it's too windy for the drone, so. Okay, so we had to abort the first go because there was a bicyclist and we didn't want to risk it. So now we're going back the other direction, and then we'll come back the other way like we originally had planned. So here, set to 30.
Set to 35, but Scott's going, looks like 32, so we'll see. And there's a car coming, of course.
Okay. See how it does. So my car's riding the line.
Yeah.
His car seems to be in further.
It might be because of, it's seeing him. Because, normally...
Maybe, but normally it's always on the line. His car was definitely more centered.
Yeah.
So that's interesting.
His car is on autopilot as well, and I believe it should be slowing it down to 32.
Okay, here it is. Moment of truth. Okay.
Yeah,
So
it goes a little. It does go kind of over the line there. Yours does.
It definitely
as well.
did.
Looks like I don't really see any difference between having a lead car and not having a lead car on this curve. It handles the curve a lot better than it used to, but it still kind of takes a wide turn there. And
yeah,
when
both
you're going
of them
this direction, when you go in the other direction, it kind of goes on the inside.
Yeah.
Or no, actually, I guess it is on the same outside curve along the line, the center line.
Okay, so there you have it. Hopefully that helps a little bit. I still think the new update helped a little bit. I'll have to try it on a road where it kind of like there's a hump.
Yeah.
Because that's where I noticed the biggest difference in the Model X. So definitely look out for that video coming soon. If you are wanting to join us at this semi-event race, go ahead and use the link in the description. Entering in your email, you will sign up for their email list, but you will also get entered to race semi-trucks with us. So that is definitely awesome. Definitely do that if you are interested.
And no purchase necessary. If you're not buying a car, it doesn't matter. If you're just one of our subscribers and you want to maybe be able to drive a Tesla semi, just enter in your email address. You'll get the newsletter from Tesla, learn all about Tesla, and you don't have to pay anything.
Yeah, and with the semi races, there's actually going to be trophies, all kinds of cool stuff. Should be a good event.
It's a random drawing. Not everybody who signs up gets it, but it's a random drawing. Every week Tesla's pulling new people that get to go and drive a semi.
It should be a good time. Definitely do that if you are interested. And if you are looking for a Tesla, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. You can filter all of Tesla's inventory as well as some other inventory. And if you are interested in a newer inventory model, you can actually use the referral code at the top of the website or down below in the description. Doing so will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, which currently that is the only way to get it. So if you do a lot of road trips and everything, it is definitely worthwhile to do so. It is only valid on S and X though. But other than that, that's basically it. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. Definitely drop a thumbs up if you did. Go ahead and click here to subscribe, here for some more videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
La 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 la.